Hello, Mr. Finlay. How are you?
Oh hello, Mr. Raman. I am good and you?
I am doing well. Hey, what are you doing and what's this machine?
This is my invention, it's a time machine. I have worked for the past 14 years and now, finally I have succeeded.
What? Really? So, we can go in our past or future, that does it mean?
Yes, you are right. We can set the time and go in the future or in past. This is my biggest invention and I haven't experimented on anybody. Why don't you give it a try?
Is this really possible?
Yes, trust me.
Okay. I want to go in the future. I want to see the future of technology.
Sure, I will send you now. Get ready.
Let's see what happens. Hey, who are you?
I am Lisa, a robot.
Really? You respond so well to my questions, how you do that?
Well, I have been programmed well to understand human languages.
Amazing, it's really a miracle. So, Lisa, what you do here?
Well, I am a driver of limousine and we have a team of many robots driving.
Oh really, that's nice.
But, who are you?
My name is Raman and I have come from past through a time machine.
Oh really? So, how do you feel like? Come on in my car.
Yeah sure.
You have come all the way from past, so, do you like it?
It's really amazing. You have been programmed so well. I really like it.
Oh thanks. So, you were talking about time machine. Who invented that?
Mr. Finlay. He is a great scientist. Thanks to him for inventing such a great thing ever.
Yes, he's a great person.
It was nice meeting you. Now, I have to go back to my present.
Okay sure. Do tell them about me.
Sure. Amazing Mr. Finlay, the future was really amazing. You are really a great scientist.
Thanks Mr. Raman.